Let's take a look at this example. This time we have line which crosses x-axis at 8 and has slope negative 1/3. Crosses x-axis at 8, it means that we have point with x-coordinate equal 8 and y-coordinate is equal 0. If you want to visualize this statement, you're supposed to simply draw xy plane. We have x-axis and we have y-axis, and the line crosses x-axis at 8. So this is point 8, 0, because y is equal 0 and x is equal 8. And because we have negative value of slope, the line will go downward from left side to right side. Okay, so crossing x-axis at 8 means we have point 8, 0. So this is my x1, y1, and this is my slope. In order to find the equation of this line, we're supposed to use point slope form. Y is equal y1 equals mx minus x1. So I have y minus y1 is equal 0 equals m, which is equal negative 1/3, x minus x1, which is equal 8. We have to solve this equation for y. So if y is equal negative 1/3 times x is negative 1/3 x, and I have negative 1/3 times negative 8 is equal positive 8 over 3, which is equal y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2 and 2/3. This is the solution to my problem.